Cernunnos, the horned god of the wild. Step into the untamed forests of ancient Europe and uncover the mysteries of Cernunnos, the enigmatic horned god. What is Cernunnos often holding? What season is linked to him? The god is associated with. What animal is often near him? The god is sometimes called. Cernunnos is connected to. Cernunnos is linked to. Which god may be similar to him? What is Cernunnos' posture? Cernunnos is connected to? The torque symbolizes? His worship was found in? Cernunnos is sometimes seen as? Some scholars see him as a Cernunnos is often depicted with He appears on which artifact? Lord of Beasts, Master of Cycles, perhaps Cernunnos has already guided you to the right answers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more mythological stories and quizzes from Broken Sword Gaming.